Good evening, or good afternoon. My name is Judge Peter Skolnik. And actually, I've been York County Court Judge for 20 years. So I have 20 years experience. And my message is basically two things.
What is that?
Why we need judges like me, and a little bit about myself. I've been your judge for 20 years.
Just turn off your phone.
That's not mine. Oh. I have experience. One of the things about being a judge is you get better over time. It's one of those jobs, not like a baseball player. You get old, you don't do well. You get better with experience. We all go to law school, we all study out of books, but you develop a wisdom through experiencing life, through doing things, through aging, that whole process. And we get to know a little bit about how the world really works and what people's problems are and how to deal with them. That's the kind of thing we have to deal with when we look at judges. I have 20 years experience dealing with problems and solving problems, and that's what we do. I've done everything from drive a cab, I'm a concealed gun owner, I have been involved in a business, small business I've been involved with. I've been involved in teaching and education through my whole career. I taught at Nova Law School, I teach at university, I taught elementary school in New York City. So I have a wide range of experience about life and about situations. My name is Judge Peter Skolnik. I'm your judge for 20 years. I want to stay your judge. I'm a good judge. Judge Peter Skolnik, Group 3. Thank you.
We're going to take a question here.
Peter, the NAACP has come out against the Tea Party, this group, all over the United States, and said we are racist. Now, you were with us on July 3rd on that corner. Are we racist?
I know this gentleman, I know his wife, I know a lot of the people here. This is not a racist organization.
Thank you. Thank you. And he was with us on July 3rd out there on the corner. No other judge, him only.
And Mr. Cabrera's wife was my student, and so she heard me talk in class, she's heard me teach. They know all about it.
Got to wrap up here. Do you have anything to say in summation?
In summation, I'm a judge for 20 years, I'm Judge Peter Skolnik. I'm a civil judge, my opponent's a public defender, she does criminal. Keep me on the bench, I do a good job. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'm Debra Steinsaltz. I'm running for County Court Judge in Group 3. I have lived in Broward County for almost 30 years, since I was 13 years old, so I grew up here in Broward County. I have been an attorney for almost 15 years, civil law experience and criminal law experience. As he told you, I am an assistant public defender in the felony trial unit, which means I defend the Constitution every day. I tell you that I have extensive trial experience because my opponent, when he became a judge, had tried no trials before becoming a judge, which means he doesn't know what it means to be on the other side. He doesn't know what it's like to be the person coming before the judge. And he never will, no matter how many years he's on the bench. I think we all have people we can think of in public office that have been elected and been there 20 years or more that we don't think got better over time. So I ask you to remember that. I became an attorney because I wanted to make a difference in our community. And after 15 years of being in the courthouse, I can tell you that Broward County needs new faces and new ideas on the bench. You need more judges that remember that they work for the people of Broward County and not the other way around. You need more judges that can remember that when somebody comes before them, it is one of, if not the most important day of that person's life. So they need a judge with the temperament, the intelligence, and the compassion to decide every case in a fair and just way. You need a judge like me who has the experiences that have taught them how the court system affects real people and their families. I've been in the courtrooms, I know what it's like, I know the qualities it takes to be a good judge, and I know I have them.
Question. Oh, that's okay.
Question.
Sue.
Oh, sorry.
You just made a comment about how you wanted judges with new, that Broward needs judges with new
faces and new ideas.
Isn't it about new faces and new ideas? Isn't it about we need judges that follow the law?
Oh, absolutely.
Instead of new faces and new ideas?
Oh, absolutely. And I don't want to say that I think we all know that just saying that sometimes we need new faces and new ideas does not mean that you should just say, out with the old, in with the new, and you vote for me just because I'm new. You have to look for people who are experienced and who do have a diversity of background, and I have that as well. I mean, I have criminal and civil law experience, so I know I can do either parts of the courthouse. My opponent had never had any criminal law experience and no trials. And so I compare it to a baseball player. And if you don't have the fundamentals, when you start playing baseball, you can keep swinging away for 20 years, you're never going to get those fundamentals. And without the fundamentals, you know, you don't have it. I have those fundamentals.
Summary. Summary.
Oh, summary, sorry. The thing that I have in common with this group is I looked at a system that's broken and I said, how can I fix it? And more importantly, outside the box, thinking outside the box. You need candidates who can say more to you than just re-elect me. Why? Because I've been doing it for 20 years. You need people who can offer you more than just, I've been doing it, so keep me there. I have been serving the people of Broward County, both in civil law, in criminal law. I'm a member of Kiwanis, so I help children. I've been here, this is my community, and I want to make it better. So on August 24th, please vote for me, Debra Steinsaltz, for County Court Judge in Group 3. Thank you.
Debra, real quick.